Trace.
Thirsty.
Thirsty.
Say thirsty. Thirsty. Do you remember this?
Dare. No one dared say a word.
Thirsty.
Happily.
Okay.
Reducing
Needing.
water.
Okay.
Happy and
Uncomfortable.
feeling because you need something to drink.
Thirsty.
Can I spell?
Thirsty. Thirsty. Adjective.
Thirsty. Just thirsty.
Thirsty. Don't reach for food, juice, or energy drinks which are often light, high in sugar.
Good.
Reach
Good.
for water. The
Healthier.
healthier choice. What is the text most likely purpose?
Okay. Which one? What's that?
To
Persuade.
persuade.
Okay. To persuade or tell someone do something. Okay.
Are you tired of shopping for groceries? Hire shop for you. We will do your shopping and dive.
Deliver. Okay. Deliver. Okay. Deliver to your home. Do you know this?
Thirsty.
The salty food was making her thirsty.
Okay.
Thirsty. Deliver.
Okay.
Deliver. Deliver.
Okay.
Verb. To take something to a person or place. She delivers the mail on my street.
Okay.
Deliver.
We will do your shopping and
deliver it to your front door.
Okay, which one?
To persuade.
Good.
Summit.
Yeah. Persuade someone to use the shop for you. And maybe it's an app. Mia
Picked the cherries with her grandmother. Grandma, I love summer, she said, and kissed her. Grandma's cheek.
Okay. So which one?
This one.
What's that?
To entertain.
Okay, they tell a story.
Summer.
Okay. Bathing. Take a bath. Bathing.
Bathing your dog takes a few simple steps. First, wet your dog, then gently rub soap into his, or have a wash the soap off completely with cool water.
Okay, so which one? What's that?
To inform.
Yeah, inform. To tell you the instruction. Tell the readers the instruction. Good job. Okay.
There once was a man named
Dave.
who lived his whole life in a cave. His manners
Good.
were bad, but you should be sad. Think of you the rest. Rent.
Yeah, rent you pay. The people live in apartment, they needed to pay for it. So he doesn't needed to pay because he lives in a cave. Think of the rent.
He did save.
Okay, so which one?
This one. To entertain.
Okay.
Summit.
Yeah. Okay.
Place one foot on the ground in the direction of the goal. Then use the top of your other foot to kick the ball.
Okay, so which one?
Kick the ball.
What's that?
To inform.
Yeah, tell them how to kick maybe a soccer or football. Good.
There's a reason fish live in salty water.
Salt water.
Saltwater.
Pepper.
Pepper makes them sneeze.
Okay. What's that?
Sneeze.
Okay, the pepper make the fish sneeze. Okay. So which one?
To entertain.
Okay.
Summit.
Yeah.
Give a child the gift of your time.
Volunteer.
Volunteer as a
teacher. Okay. Okay. What's that?
Deliver.
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 Deliver. Fab. Deliver a package.
Okay.
Tutor.
To the.
Tutor.
To the.
Tutor.
To the.
Tutor.
To the now. A teacher who works with one student.
Okay.
Tutor.
To the. I got up to help me with my homework.
Okay.
Tutor.
To
Okay.
tutor. tutor.
Okay, tutor. Okay, give a child the gift of your time. You give your time to a child. Volunteer.
As a tutor today.
Okay, which one?
A tutor today.
What's that?
To persuade.
Yeah, okay. To try to make people become a tutor. Okay.
The friends of the
coastline. Okay, coastline.
Coastline where host clean up.
Yeah, coastline. Yeah, coastline. You see the C9 and the seashore. Coastline, right? Sometimes you go to the beach. Yeah, that's coastline. Friends of coastline. Basically, there's people who try to protect the coastline. Okay. So the friends of coastline will host a
clean up, clean up, clean up, clean up, clean up, clean up.
Okay, clean up means you clean up. It's a noun. You see, these people cleaning up the coastline, cleaning up, yeah, the beach. Okay, what's that?
Tutor.
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 Tutor now. I got a tutor to help me with my homework. A teacher who works with one student.
Okay. Clean up is a noun.
Clean up.
Clean up.
Clean up.
Clean up.
Clean up.
Clean up.
Okay. The process
Of cleaning something. The children helped with the cleanup.
Okay.
After the
Meal.
meal.
Okay, for example, they wash the dishes, right?
Clean up.
Clean up. CLEANUP. Clean up. Now.
Okay, here means cleaning up the beach. Okay, the friends of the coastline will host a
Clean up. Of
Parsons.
beach.
Okay, it's the name of the beach.
March 3.
Okay,
Where he will.
March 3rd. Okay, we will.
We will meet at sunrise in the parking lot. Please bring drinks, drinking water, and work gloves.
Okay. So do you know which one?
This one.
Yeah, inform. Okay.
Summit.
Yeah, it's not to persuade. It's not to try to make people do it.
Different families have different ideas about meanings, manners.
Okay, manners.
In some families, it's important to be
Excused. No, excuse.
Excuse.
Okay, excuse. Okay, if you finish your food, you need to leave. Okay, it's important to be excused. You need to tell others I'm done. I need leave. Excuse.
Before leaving the dinner table and other families, people can come and go from the table as they please.
Okay, which one?
This one.
What's that?
To inform.
Okay, to tell. Okay. Okay.
The man looked up.
Okay, maybe I'll stop here.